and welcome back to another video. I'm out again, and this time I'm in a completely different location. I've come down to my friend Paul's woodland here, and me and Dingo are going to be doing a solo, and we're also going to be using a new tent from Hillzero. This is called the Tower M, but I'm going to call it the Beast because it is massive. It's a big tent. It's a dome tent. It's also a hot tent, and we've brought the stove with us, so that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to have a nice couple of days and a couple of nights just chilling out, relaxing, filming it for you guys, and just generally having a good time. Now, the good thing is with my friend's woodland, I've managed to park just there by the main gate on his track, and I've just been able to ferry all my bits into the woodland from the boot of the car, which has been great. So I've been able to bring what I want, and that's exactly what I've done. We ain't slumming it, but it took me a few trips to get it to and from the car. I've bought a solar generator. I've bought loads of stuff. It's going to be great. Going to cook a simple meal as well this evening. So I'm going to start getting this Tower M set up because time is getting on. So I'll chat to you guys in a bit. Well, I've just spent a load of time clearing the floor where I'm going to put the tent. I had to clear quite a big area because it is quite a big tent. I've set up a load of the poles. So now it's time to get the main tent body out and start setting that up. I'm excited to use this tent. It's up. Hey! It was a bit harder to get up than I thought it was going to be, but it's up. I've put 2 tarps down as ground sheets. I'm going to have the stove over here on this side. This has got 4 doors, which is great, and also it comes with 2 extra mesh doors that you can zip in, and it also comes with 2 see-through doors that you can also zip in, so that's really good. So I might put one of them see-through doors on. But yeah, it's set up. It's already raining leaves down on it. But it's up. Just got to get the rest of the stuff in now. Not sure how much of that I'm going to film because it's not getting late, but the sun's starting to go down, so I need to crack on. But yeah, I could stand up in it. That's something. Hey. Right, let's crack on, Mark. Come on. For sleeping on, I've bought my One Tigress cot bed, and for putting things on, I've bought my Mission Mountain folding table. Both really good bits of kit. Really like both of them. It'll make a change sleeping on a cot bed, because normally I just sleep on my mat on the floor, so this is going to be nice. This is luxurious for me. Like, for me, normally, as I said, normally I'm sleeping on the floor. So, yeah, no, this would be good. Good. Have that at a bit of an angle. I like that. Oh, let's try it. Oh, that is perfect. It's not uneven either. Brilliant. I thought for sure some of it was going to be in a hole, but it's not. That's good. Oh, inside of my tent's muddy. Right, get on with the rest of it. Still got my bed to make up. Got to bring in my solar generator, which we'll talk about in a bit. That thing's a bit of a beast as well. Yeah, that's what's going to keep me charged up and powered, and keep my little mini cooler going as well throughout these 2 days, 2 nights. Okay, nice. I've put the bug net on that door. I've still got the waterproof door attached as well to that one. And with this one round here, as you can see, I've put the clear plastic door on, and again the door is still attached on the inside, but that's waterproof anyway, so I don't need to worry about the inner door on that one. Yeah, that's cool. You can do that with all 4 doors on here, so you can have 2 doors like that and 2 doors with the normal material, or you can have 2 mesh doors and 2 see-through doors. Yeah, I like that. Right, I got a bit distracted there with changing doors around, so I'm going to get on with the rest of my bedding. I'm taking a break, cup of anti-murdery juicy juice. Freshly made and it's hot. Oh, I needed to take a break. I've been non-stop for about the last 3 hours setting the tent up, filming, setting the tent up, getting everything set up in here, everything how I want it. But so I need a break. Everything is set up in here apart from the wood burning stove. That's all I need to set up in here now. It's getting dark already out there. It's, yeah, comes in quick, doesn't it now? It doesn't matter, I've got plenty of lights and stuff. It doesn't matter. I can set my stove up in the dark, you know. But first I'm gonna have this cup of coffee and chill out for a bit. Oh, it's good. it's actually just started spitting outside, and because time's getting on and I'm getting hungry, I haven't prepped any firewood yet. I'll do that tomorrow, but I did bring some wood from work, some like old offcuts and that, so I'm just going to use that for this evening, and then tomorrow cut some wood, because I want to get my dinner on, and I'm doing a stew tonight, so it's going to take a little while. I'm getting really hungry as well, so let's get this going. Stove is going, as you would have seen, so it's nice and warm in here. It really is nice. Dingo's been just having a run around outside. She's also had a nap on her bed. She's just got up, she's fully recharged. But I'm going to get dinner on soon, start prepping all the stuff for my stew. And I'm looking forward to that. I'm starving. I haven't really eaten much all day at all. But before I do that, I just want to briefly talk to you about the Bluetti AC180 portable power station, 1800 watt and solar generator as well, if you get the solar kit like I have. And I want to say a big thank you to Bluetti for sending that out to me and keeping me powered on this multi-day trip, keeping me all charged up. It's a great unit. I've been using it at home, and I've had it on my computer desk next to my computer, just testing it out on random things. It will run my whole PC and editing system for about 8 hours straight, which is really good. Because I've been leaving it next to my desk, I've just been putting all my stuff on charge. Like, if my watch needs charging, if my drone needs charging, if my camera batteries need charging, camera light batteries need charging, the drone controller, if that needs charging, my lanterns and that I use for camping, you know, I've just been plugging it all in there on my desk. It's all nice and neat and tidy on there in one place, charging them up. When the AC180 needs topping up, I just put the solar panels outside and charge it up. Been doing it for free. It's great. It'll charge from 0% to 80% in 45 minutes off the mains if you're charging it at home. Honestly, it's been brilliant, and I've brought it with me today, and it's been running my little mini cooler that you can just plug into a cigarette lighter of a car. I've plugged it into that, and it will run that for 99 hours. It's saying 99 hours. Honestly, it is a great bit of kit, and I think if you're planning on doing trips like this, or you're doing van life or truck camping, anything like that, then I think that would be a good choice for you. It has 9 output ports on it as well, which is fantastic. It's been a big help for me when I've had it next to my computer on the desk. It's got solar control and monitor with the app as well, so you can download the app and you can control the whole thing via the app, which is, you know, really good as well. It is a great product, and I've been testing it out probably for about a month and a half now at home, and I am very, very happy with it. So thank you once again, Bluetti, for sending that out and keeping me powered up on this trip and keeping all my stuff charged, because I have a lot of stuff to charge up when I come out on camping trips. So having this with me for the 2 days and 2 nights is a real game changer for me. It's great. So thank you very much. If you are in the market for a portable power station, I'll leave a link down to the Bluetti website where you can get this portable power station, or check their website for anything else you might want to purchase if you want something a bit smaller. They will have that on there as well, so link will be in the description. Alright, start getting some veggies chopped up for the stew. I do like carrot. we're going skin on, we don't care. Some carrots, some potatoes to go in it, some onion, seasoning. Yeah. I know, you guys aren't used to me doing this on my channel, are you? You know, cooking, doing this. First time for everything, eh? I do like onion. This, you know, really isn't ain't the best knife to be doing it with, but hey ho. It's all I have, man. Before I actually put this chopped up steak in with the rest of the ingredients of the stew, I'm just going to brown it off slightly. Now it is all together in one pan. I'm going to add one of these. Oh, get in that, there we go, lovely. Let that break down. Only problem is, I didn't bring a lid with me, so I might have to use my metal plate, but that'll be fine. So what else I've added in there? I've added some bay seasoning, and I've also added some garlic powder as well. Stew's done. First I'm going to open a beer. Oh, yeah. Cheers everyone. It's got a location. Oh, that is a well earned beer. A bit of life and death. It's good. Stew looks like it's turned out pretty good considering it's just been thrown together. But it's really, really, really hot. Really hot. So hot. Yeah, good. I'm going to have my dinner. And then I'll do Dingo her dinner. She's asleep on her mat. Which she hasn't noticed I'm eating, which is quite weird. But she is worn out. She's been running around all day today. She's been going mad. Well, she's never been to this woodland before with me. I've been here, but it was before I even got Dingo, so she's never been here. So there was a lot of new smells for her and a lot of exploring to do. Oh, hot. Good flavours in there. Very nice. But yeah guys, I'm going to eat this and I'll chat to you in a bit. It's good. Hot though. I've just finished my beer, so I think that is it for me this evening. I'm going to go to bed. I've been up since 6:15 this morning, so I am absolutely shattered. Still got another day to go and another night yet, which is really good. Really enjoying this Hillzero Tower M tent. It's great, there's so much room in here, you can stand up in it. I mean, I've got a table in here. I've got my stove in here. I've got a pile of firewood behind the stove. I've got my bed in here. I've got my chair in here, and I've still got so much room. It's ridiculous. But oh, if you can hear like a little humming in the background, that is the cool box that's plugged into the Bluetti AC180 portable power station. Another great bit of kit. Really enjoying using that. That's been a game changer so far on this trip. It's great. But yeah, I'm gonna go to bed, and I will see you all probably bright and early in the morning. Good night, everyone. Hello. Yes, good morning. Alright. Okay. Oh, God. Morning. I guess it's time to get up. Alright. Okay. Alright. Okay. I'm gonna get up. Alright. Okay. Stop. Well, get up, right, okay, right, oh, God, oh, morning, oh, you hear that, got a bit of a bugged up nose this morning, oh, alright, time to get up, oh, I slept really well, oh, oh. Time to get a fire going because I want some breakfast, some bacon and eggs. Be good. bacon in. Oh wow, that's hot. My breakfast is done. Bacon and eggs. Nice and simple. And of course, you guessed it, a cup of anti-murdery juicy juice. Oh, that's good. Yeah, I'll see you down there, girl. I'll save you a bit of bacon. She's had her breakfast, but she's always hungry, isn't she? She's a dog. Yeah, my eggs didn't turn out great. As you would have seen, I had the pan way too hot. And yeah, but they're fine, whatever. They're still edible. I've done better eggs in the past. But yeah, pan was just way too hot. Silly me. But I'm going to sit here, have my breakfast, and enjoy the peace and quiet, apart from the odd car going past on the road next to us. Yeah. Breakfast was lovely. Oh, just been sitting here chilling with my anti-murdery juicy juice. Oh, I was going to use the solar panels that I got with the Bluetti AC180, but it's very overcast today and the sun isn't out. So I was hoping to show you all them working and charging the unit, but it's just not sunny enough. But still, never mind. I've still got plenty of power in that. I've been charging everything up. I've got stuff in the tent now on charge. But yeah, good bit of kit that is. Really happy with it. I'm just going to sit here by the fire and relax for a bit. What Dingo's doing? She's just over there relaxing, chilling out, doing dog stuff. She's just been running around all morning. But, so she'll sleep well tonight. But a certain someone rolled in fox crap earlier. She's done it today and she did it yesterday as soon as we got here. And I've run out of baby wipes now. She really is an arse sometimes. But never mind. Anyway, I'll chat to you all in a bit. Ta-ra, ta-ra. Beer o'clock. Cheers, everyone. Oh. Much needed. Much needed. Time's getting on now. In the day. 1:30. I know it's not late, but it'll be dark in a couple of hours. It's just, yeah, this time of year. I've been messing about with the drone and that, getting some shots of the woodland and just playing around with it. Getting other shots as well with my camera that I'm filming on now. Dingo's rolled in crap again. So that'll be the second time today. Third time since we've been here, since yesterday. I've got no baby wipes and I run out because I used them to clean her yesterday. She's absolutely covered in it. It's going to stink inside my tent later. But never mind. I'm just going to chill out by the fire. Dingo's over there laying down. I banished her to over there, she's about 5 metres from me because she stinks. And I don't want to smell that. So she's over there laying down. Dogs, eh? Who would have them? Who would have them? Chat to you in a bit. Darkness is upon us now. It's not even late. It's 6:15. But it's beer o'clock. I'm having another beer. Another vocation. Life or death. Yes. Cheers everyone. Chink. Oh. Oh, that's good. That's good. Really pleasant evening. You might hear fireworks in the background. There was fireworks last night as well, but I just had some going off again a minute ago. But can't do anything about it, so I'm not going to worry about it. Do some dinner soon, I think. I was debating on whether I should cook a steak that I brought with me, but I've got a load of stew left over from last night and it's been in the cool box all night and all day, so it's still perfectly fine. It doesn't make sense to throw that away and waste it and then open up a brand new steak. I might as well just have my stew again. It was nice stew, I enjoyed having it last night, but as I said, I don't see the point in wasting it just to open up a steak just for the sake of cooking something different. So yeah, I'm just going to reheat my stew and have that. Why not? Oh, pleasant evening. There you go, fireworks. Have to give Dingo her dinner soon as well, eh, girl? Your dinner soon. Just been running around like a lunatic again all day today and this evening, just running around. Anyway, I'll chat to you in a bit. Fireworks are still going off in the distance, but my stew's done. Yes. It has thickened up a lot since last night. It tastes even better. It tastes better because it's just been sat for basically 24 hours in all its juice and all the seasoning I put in there. That is good. That is very good. No, you can't have any of this, sweetheart. It's got onions and that in. And dogs can't have onions, sorry. You'll get your dinner, don't worry. Yeah, I'm gonna eat my dinner. Hot. Eat my dinner. Listen to the fireworks, I guess, because I can't see them. I mean, I could send the drone up, but trying to get through all the tree canopy in the dark would be a nightmare, so I'm not going to risk it. I'm going to eat this, drink my beer, and I'll chat to you all in a bit. Beer's all gone. Never mind. Dinner was lovely though. Tasted so much better this evening. I mean, it tasted good yesterday evening when I made it, but just tasted so much better. It's great how things like curries and stews and that, they always taste better the next day because all the flavours have got into everything. It's great. Really nice it was. But my beer's all gone. Time is getting on. So probably gonna let this fire burn down a bit and retire to my tent. Not to sleep, just, you know, just retire to my tent to just chill out, put the stove on, just relax, lay down. Be nice. So yeah, chat to you in a bit. Ta-ra. Coffee o'clock here in the tent. Wind's picked up a little bit. I can hear all the bits falling off the trees and hitting the top of the tent, and then it slides down. It goes donk. I have really enjoyed myself these last couple of days and couple of nights. It's been great to get out and get somewhere different, into a completely different woodland. Really glad that I've come up here. It's been great, really enjoyable. Just me and the dog just chilling out and enjoying life, and I've really enjoyed using this tent. You know, this Tower M from Hillzero. As everybody knows on the channel, I use a lot of Hillzero gear because it is good gear. It's very good gear and good quality as well. And this tent has not disappointed. The quality is absolutely brilliant. Has not disappointed at all. The only thing that has disappointed me is the fact we haven't had any rain, and I was hoping we'd end up getting some rain so I could also try it out while it's raining. But no rain, unfortunately. But there's always next time I bring it out, which I will definitely do. But yeah, thoroughly enjoyed it. It's been great. This tent is massive. It's just huge. You can stand up in it and everything. It is great. 2 people would have a lot of room in here for a couple of days. Like, yeah, without a doubt. But I'm going to sit here, I'm going to drink my coffee and chill out by the fire, put some more wood on the fire, and I'll chat to you all in a bit. Well, the stove is out, so now, and time is getting on, so now it's time for bed. Oh, I'm going to get up early in the morning to get packed away so I can get home at a reasonable time. Oh, tired, very tired. Oh, it's been very mentally draining doing all this filming, you know. But yeah, I'm going to bed, so I shall catch you all in the morning. Good night. Good morning. It's early. The sun's only just starting to come up. The sky, well, the sky's starting to lighten up a bit now. But yeah, it's early. It's about 6:15. Got a cup of coffee. I wanted to get up early this morning. It's Monday morning. I wanted to get up early because I want to get home. My little girl ain't been very well all weekend. She's had a temperature and that, sort of throat, stuff like that. So I want to get home. I want to see her and have a shower. And I need to shower Dingo as well, because as I said yesterday, she's rolled in fox shite 3 times on this trip, and she stinks. So I'm going to drink my coffee and enjoy the sunrise, I guess. But yeah, I'll chat to you all in a bit. Everything is all packed away now, all packed up, just got to load it into the car. I've had a really good 2 days, 2 nights up here in the Hillzero Tower M dome tent, hot tent. I've really enjoyed using the Bluetti AC180. I will leave links in the description below to both the websites and links to both the products as well, so you can go check them out. But I'm heading off home. Dingo's covered in poo, as I said, so she needs a shower. It's 7:20 now, so I'm going to go home, have a shower, but I have had a great time. Thanks for letting me use your woodland pool. I really do appreciate it. And to everyone else who watched the video, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. I'm going home. Dingo, come on.